What do you have tomorrow?
A barnyard with all kinds of animals.
Barnyard?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's filled with a little baby deer who licks you and gives you kisses.
You get to pet them all?
Bunnies, all kinds of animals.
And what did you say it is?
A barnyard.
No, did you say it was?
What?
Did you say it was cool?
Yep.
Was it so cool? Hey, I love you. Can you blow me big kisses for the camera? I need a big one. Blow it. I'm gonna catch it and eat it. I can't see. Stand up. Blow it. Love you. See you later. Oh man, I woke up this morning and my knees are so sore. I'm walking like an old man right now, where they got bent sideways there, a little unnaturally, and yeah, they're pretty hurting. So, just on my way to work and gonna try and. Sorry, I'm tired still. Just get a bunch of work done and get on with the day. So that's what we're doing right now. Oh man, they have an awesome rear view mirror there. I don't know if you can see it. It's like just hanging. They need to pick it up to actually use it.
What? Are you teething on your sunglasses? You're silly. Did you have fun playing with your friends?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I don't know.
Did you color?
No.
Yeah, I saw your pretty pictures. Hey, Kirsten, don't do that.
We're in another severe weather tornado warning. It's lightning quite a bit out here right now. As far as it's just sort of strobing out here. See that? Also, apparently there was an earthquake today in Ann Arbor.
Yes, Monroe.
Like all through Ann Arbor.
Toronto down to Ann Arbor. 5.5.
I didn't feel it at work, but I guess some people did. But yeah, it's not raining too hard, but you can hear it over there. It's coming this way. Tons of lightning. There's no wind right now and hardly any rain, but I guess we might be under a tornado warning. Just had the sirens go off again here, and Jess and the girls are in the basement right now, but I'm just keeping an eye out here. So, yep. Be another long night of waiting for this junk. But I'm not really too worried about it. I think we'll be alright. Sounds like most everything's south of us. So you can see there Trenton, Milan, whoever's below us. And we're up above there. See what's going on. Yeah, it's just siren for the winds. I guess they go off if it gets up to 70 miles an hour. Which is funny since there's no wind at all